Have you always wanted under cabinet lighting but didn't want to have to run electrical or hire an electrician to do it? Is there a dark spot in your house that it'd be nice to have an automatic light? Well, I have a possible solution for you, and it's this set of under cabinet lights right here. Now, these lights are battery operated. They are also have infrared motion sensors that work in day and at night, and it's just a good all-around light. But rather than talk about it, let's go ahead. We're going to point the camera down. We're going to unbox these, get a closer look. Then we're going to install them and see how well they work. So let's get to it. All right, so this is how the lights come packaged right here. We're going to go ahead and get these opened up. Now, like I said, these do have 3 different tone settings. And when I say tone settings, meaning bright white, a nice yellow-white mix, and then they have a darker, a softer yellow look as well. They can attach with a bracket, but they also, if you're connecting them to a metal surface, they also have magnets inside. Now you can see the first thing that we have here is a charger for both lights. It's a USB-A on one side with dual USB-Cs on the other, so you can charge both lights simultaneously. Very, very cool. Here are the lights. You can see the little infrared sensors right here poking out. And there you have it. Go ahead, we'll get them out. That way you can see everything that you're going to get. I'll tell you what these little mystery squares are right here. But here are the lights right here. This is how they come. Here's your function button. Here's your motion sensor. Like I said, they are 3 color. They have 118 LEDs in here, so they're going to be plenty bright enough. It has a 3300 mAh battery, which is going to give you a long service between charges, and it has the dual sensor. These are very professional looking. They are in metal cases, and the little mystery squares here are basically, if you have a metal surface, these will connect directly to a metal surface. You can just stick them on. That's why they're good for things like, you can use them camping handheld, but say if you were working on your car, you can usually just snap them on the underneath of your hood, and it's going to illuminate underneath your hood if it's at night. There's just a ton of different uses for these things. I'm going to be putting them on my metal shelves in the back, but we're going to do that in just a moment. But the little squares right here, these are just little metal squares that have an adhesive on one side. So if where you need to install these, if it's not metal, you can just use a 2-sided tape. You install the metal square, and then when you want to install the light, it will just stick to that little metal square. So very simple, no screws needed. Therefore, you're not going to be doing any damage to the wall, and it's much easier to move these around from location to location. I have used these in the past too, like in our hallway, to where if one of my younger kids get up and they have to go to the bathroom and they start walking down the hall, it'll illuminate the path for them so they can see where they're going, and they don't have to worry about getting scared or trying to find a light. So very cool. So on the end right here, this is your off-on switch. You have off, on, and auto. You have to put it in auto for the motion detecting switch to work. And then you have your USB-C charge port right here. And when you activate the light, I just put it on, and then you can tap this. You can see we went to the more darker yellow. It's hard to kind of see. You can see in the glass though what the true color of the light really is right now. So don't pay attention up here because the camera's overexposing for this. But if you look down here, this is the actual color. Then you have the mid-grade, and then you have the bright white. So 3000K, around 4000K, 4500, and then you have like the 5000K. So very, very cool. Now if we hold this button down, you can see that the light got dimmer. It's hard for you to tell, and then if we hold it down again, then the light's getting brighter. Maybe I can do that on the table reflection as well. Let's see. I'll hold it down. There it goes. You can see it getting dimmer. Then you hold it down again, and it's getting brighter. So multi-purpose on the function button. If you hold it, you change the brightness. If you tap it, you change the color temperature of the light. So very cool. Let's go ahead. We're going to take these lights and go install them on my shelf so you can see how much they help, and we'll test out the motion sensor too to see how well it works. So let's get that done. Okay, so here we are over at the shelf. You can see this is where I put on my RC cars, and we have these 2 lights, and I'm going to illuminate this shelf. Or as a matter of fact, I'm going to illuminate this shelf and this shelf. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my lights in auto. I'm going to attach this one here, and then I'm going to put this one in auto. And attach this one over here. We'll put this one like this. Tell you what, I'll move this one over here like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait patiently until the lights turn off. There's the first one. I might be moving too much for the second one. Okay, so they're both off now. Now I'm going to move, and you can see they both instantly turned on and picked me up with no problem. So I'm going to turn off some of these other blinding lights I have going in here. There you go. I think that'll work. I'm just going to stand back and wait for them to shut off. It does take about 20 seconds to shut off. Okay, so they both shut off. Now I'm going to start walking towards them. And there's the first one, and there's the second one. So 30 seconds. Takes half a minute for them to shut off. Now that they're off, I'm going to walk up. And of course, as soon as I get right by the shelf, they kick right back on. So let's go ahead. I'm going to try to change the look. That's like the more warm look. And then we're going to go to the medium look, or your mid-tone. And then we're going to hold this one down. We're going to dim it down a little bit. We'll hold this one down and dim it down a little bit. And very nice. As you can see, they're quite easy to work with. They're very simple to use. You can stick them to any metal surface. We mount them, like I said, in the hallway on the baseboards, and when the kids walk by at night, they turn on to give them light to see where they're walking. They're great for shelves. They're great for automotive use. You can use them if you live in a hurricane zone like we do. You can keep them charged up, and if the lights go out, you can use them as flashlights and to walk your property and check things out at night. You can take them camping, hunting, fishing. They're not waterproof. Don't get them wet. They're rechargeable, and they're very versatile. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.